Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down some cool Bitcoin charts that help us understand what's going on with BTC. Let's jump in one by one. Start to income model. Look, this is an upgraded version of the famous stock to flow model by Plan B, okay? But the difference is in this version, we're also counting the fees of the Bitcoin as well. The famous previous stock to flow model stopped updating years ago, but stock to income is better. It includes those transactions fee miners get. It updated every day with fresh data. It uses a moving average on the last year's fees. Miners are more likely to sell their earnings than regular holders, So it added selling pressure as well, okay? And as you can see here, in this model, we already pierced down the channel in 2020, we nearly touched the bottom of it. In 2020, the COVID impact, we touched the bottom. Previous than that, okay, we touched the bottom of the channel. Here in 2015, because it was the beginning of the whole area of the Bitcoin thing, we broke the channel downside, but we remain at the zone for a while, okay, and moving to the upside. So to me, we can hover at this zone until September, October, and going back inside the channel and moving upward to test the uh, upper edge of this channel around plus $100,000 and $200,000 as well. Okay, so this showing me that if this is not the bottom of the Bitcoin, we are very, very close to the bottom of it. Okay, the next chart for us is the rainbow channel. Okay, the rainbow chart. This is one of the fun ones. The rainbow chart started back in 2014 as a way to show Bitcoin's long-term trend with pretty colors. I don't know, you remember it or not, but in 2020, for the first time, we broke the rainbow chart to the bottom, and those Moon Boys said that this is the end of the Bitcoin. They flipped bearish, and they said this is the end of the Bitcoin. We're gonna go down, uh, and they targeted the 5K, 3K for Bitcoin, but we bounced back after that. We bounced back after that, and it was actually the bottom of the bear market. Here, currently, as you can see, we pierced the rainbow chart one more again. And to me, this showing that we are really, really in an oversold situation, okay? To me, this is a good opportunity to start DCAing. I'm not telling you that go and buy aggressively Bitcoin, but as you know, I bought Bitcoin at $60,000 and I have a plan to add to my bag around 55, 53, maybe $48,000 as well. So you have to be prepared for that, okay? Um, the next chart we're gonna talk about it is uh, relative strength index. RSI is a momentum indicator. It tells us how strong uh, or weak Bitcoin price move or compared to the last 12 months. Each of the dots on the chart is 1 month. A high RSI above 70 means the price has going up fast and strong lately, might be overbought and could pull back. A low RSI below 30, means dropping hard, could be oversold and ready for a bounce, Uh, as you can see in 2020, 22, 23, we hovered at this oversold situation here, okay? In COVID crash, we hovered at this level around this area, okay? Before that, 2019, we was at this level, okay? 2015, we tested this zone, okay? And every single time the market panicked uh, and those retail traders started to sell their bitcoins, while on the other hand, the whales started to buy and add their those bitcoins to the long-term bags. Okay, currently we are around 40, 38. Okay, the new updated is around 38, and that's showing me one thing: the market is panicked, terrified, and when people and retail traders are terrified, I'm ready to buy their bitcoins. Okay. The next thing is, if we go to the Bitcoin chart and draw a ascending channel, you can see that since 2017, every time we hover at the bottom zone of this upward channel, it was a really good buying opportunity. 2019, 2020, 2022, uh, with the FTX and the Luna crash, okay? We touched the top edge of this upward channel, ascending channel, and currently we are pretty close to that. I'm not telling you that this is the bottom of the bear market. Actually, I'm ready for another plunge down around 53, 48, maybe $45,000, okay? And that will be a really good buying opportunity, okay? After that, I expect an upward momentum, breaking the Como cloud to the upside. Probably we will test the mid channel of this ascending channel, the midline of this channel, okay, around 1,000, $140,000, okay. Uh, Probably after that we will see a massive correction. People say this is the end of it, we will go down, okay. But when all those short positions get liquidated, we're gonna start the real bullish momentum, and I expect to see a massive bull run after that, okay. uh, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. This is not smart, but if you have money that you don't need it for the next 1 or 2 years, definitely consider to invest in Bitcoin. I did that and I'm ready to buy more. I hope you enjoyed this show. See you later.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.